Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 90 Lite, and let me share with you how to reset the camera settings on this device. So first of all, we have to open the camera app, and I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear. It does not really matter on which mode you will be, simply enter the settings which are in the right upper corner. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Restore Defaults. Of course, confirm it. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera, and here we've got the very first evidence that the reset option worked, because our camera asks us about the location and the access to the location, and it is the very first thing that the camera does when you're opening it for the very first time. So alright, what is more, we do not have the grid lines, which simply means that we just successfully reset camera settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.